Hey guys, and welcome to yet another Bricks Crafter video. Today I'm going to be building a Lego boat to drive and float in my pool. Let's get started. Okay, so first on this boat I'm going to start with the flotation device. So what I did for the flotation device was I taped two Evian bottles together. This was going to help it stay floating. So I took this track with 4 connector pins, and there's just one space in between. Drop it around. This goes to the closer to the front of the cap, closer to the caps. So like this. Next, take another one with a longer connector pin. Same thing, but just with a longer one. Also, take this. I'm gonna wrap it around. And connect. Just like that. You definitely want these connections to be really tight, so like that. Put it back right there. Basically like that. Next, actually, wait, that's the wrong side. Okay. Make sure it's straight on there. So next, take this. You can put it right here, connecting to track. Like that. You want these to be equal space from each other. The two connector pins, theirs. So on you like that. Make sure the others track stays aligned. There you go. Next, you're going to take the motor, and you're going to take one of these, and then 2 connector pins, put them on like that, and then attach it to there. Then have these 2 connector pins on there also. Next, take a large gear and put it through like that, and put it into the middle. There you go, like that. Next, take another gear, do the same, put it here, connecting with the other one. And then put a connector spacer on the back. Like that. Take another big gear and do it again. Make sure that you do that. Next, take a 1x5. Put it connecting to those other 2 pins. No overlap. I'm going to take a 1x4 shaft, cap shaft, and then take a spacer and put it through closest hole to the big gear, and then put this smaller gear on it. This isn't the smallest gear, but it's one of the smallest. 24 tooth. And put the spacer there. Make sure they all spin. And then take small gear and another 1x4 cap shaft. And then put a spacer through. And then put the small gear there. And then put a shaft extender and at the end of it. And then put the propeller with this piece on it. Onto the propeller. And the propeller connected into that extender. So now you got the propeller to go down. So now attach that to your float. Just like that. Make sure it's aligned with the other side. Don't push any pressure on that, so just have it go over the edge of your table if you're using one. Okay, so next, we'll do the exact same thing again. And I'll see you when it's finished. Guys, it's finished. So I just did the same thing on the other side, and then make sure they're equal distance away from each other. And there you go. It'll be finished. So now, you definitely want this brain to be mounted on there really good, because you don't want it to go in the water. So, I'm going to take this, put it across here. Put it on there. There we go. Alright. Put it on there. And then take your brain. So what I did, guys, is I put this piece, and then I put it into the motor, into the brain. And then I took a 90-degree connector pin onto there. And then all you gotta do with this, connect it onto here. Doesn't matter where, just not close to the edge, to the middle the most. Boom. Just like that. And then, last and final step is to attach these motors on here. So, on my controller, which I don't know where it is right now, but there's an A. A is on the left, C is on the right. So if I'm gonna do, this is a tank drive boat. So if C is on the right motor would go on the C. So this on here, and this one on here, just like that. There you go. That is a finished Lego boat, ready to float and drive. My pool. Whoa! There you go.